what do you think are the chances of the Supreme Court reversing its ruling since this was a unanimous vote? And what happens if they do not reverse their ruling? Can a motion for reconsideration be filed again? Because I believe there is precedents where an MR was filed about 3 to 4 times and the Supreme Court revisited its decision. Yes.
5 times in the League of Cities case. But yeah, well, we'll cross the bridge when we get there. It's also very difficult to speculate. First, what's the ruling about? What will they, if they modify it, what does that mean? But one thing is for sure, is clear. You know, that MR, the motion for reconsideration, is an opportunity for the Supreme Court to correct what we believe to be serious factual errors. You know, what did the Supreme Court do? It rendered the House of Representatives impeachment complaint void. It rendered pretty much the Senate impeachment court, it nullified all the acts of the Senate impeachment court. I mean, if you do something as unprecedented as that, the least Supreme Court could have done was check their facts. And that's why the motion for reconsideration is an opportunity for the Supreme to correct.
Actually, yes, Senator. What struck me in your manifestation was when you said, how can you be right about the law when you are wrong about the facts? And I wanted to zero in on what the Supreme Court did, and that's to rely on a news article instead of official records. Even former Justices Carpio and Morales raised a compelling argument about that. I mean, how serious is that in terms of legal terms?
Well, the facts are the basis of your ruling. Was there grave abuse of discretion amounting to a lack of jurisdiction? Therefore, whatever, if you don't have jurisdiction, whatever decision you made is void ab initio. So if the facts are wrong, then your ruling, is wrong. If your facts, it turns out your facts is in a hypothetical case that you didn't kill the person, but the court did not appreciate the facts and said you did. Therefore, your ruling is unjust, unfair, unjust. And that's what happened here. They said the 1-year bar, prevented the fourth complaint. The constitutional requirement that prohibition of 1 year after a first complaint has been initiated, you cannot have a second impeachment. It should be barred. And problema, the initiation of the first 3 did not occur. Its archiving occurred after the fourth impeachment complaint was referred Senate, transmitted to the Senate. So there was no first or second or third initiation because what they acted on and initiated was the fourth complaint. And then they archived the 3.
Senator Marcoleta had
So
said
1 year bar, so your prohibition of your 1 year bar, the facts behind saying that the fourth complaint is barred by one year, the 1 year bar, because there were 3 other impeachment complaints that was initiated, is wrong. It's factually incorrect.